this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to earn money online. In 2025, I've tried everything from crypto trading to starting agencies to drop shipping. I've tried everything, but this is by far the easiest way to earn money, and this is what nobody's speaking about, and that is because everyone's earning money through this, so they're trying to gatekeeping it. So I'm going to blow the roof open. I'm going to show you exactly how there's people who are making 20, 30, 40,000 every single month, literally by posting content that is already out on the internet. First of all, what you want to do is you want to go to whop.com. Now I'm going to leave a link in this down below. You can either search up and then make your way to this sign-up page, or you can just click the link down below. And once you're on this page, you just press sign up. Okay? So this is where you can join your first. Now Whops are the groups that you join, where you can start earning a lot of money. Now I would recommend you to just join WClips and UGC Factory, just to start off. But I'm going to show you a method where you can find the best ways and the best campaigns where you can earn the most money. So you click on next, and it takes you to this home screen. Now there's a lot going on here. Don't get confused. We don't even need to be here. Where I want you to go is, I want you to go to the Discover tab. So the third button down, press Discover. And here, if we scroll past the live streams, we get taken to the content rewards. What content rewards does is it pays you to publish content on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram, Reels, even X. You get paid to publish on all of those different platforms, and you get paid per 1,000 views on the views that you get on your videos now. If you don't know what videos to make, if you haven't got any inspiration or motivation or even an idea of what you should make, then you can go to submission section. Now what this does is this shows you the videos that have earned the most money possible. We can see which videos and which campaigns are paying the people the most money, and what styles of videos people are earning the most money on. So this video here earned $2,000, and I've watched it for you. So basically all it is it's a simple edit, just switching footage every 3-4 seconds. And it says in the top P, my life. If bro returns the money he owes me. This basically means that this is a video that people can send to their friends, to their family, and to the people that, over money as a joke, as fun. And this spreads a video, leading it to get more views. So that's a perfect way and a perfect method that you can use if you want to earn a lot of money, like this guy who earned $2,000. What we do is we press on, start earning, and then it takes us to this. So first of all, we first need to look at the rules of a campaign, because if we break any rules, then we're not going to earn any money. So clips can't make a hunter look bad. Of course, because of why would the person paying you to make a video pay you to make a video that makes him look bad or it doesn't make sense? So that's quite obvious. Clip views or engagement can't be botted, so you cannot fake it. And this is very, very important, else your account will get banned. It's not worth doing it at all in the slightest. And a video also needs to be 8 seconds long at least. So if a video is 6 seconds, 7 seconds, it doesn't matter how close it is to 8 seconds. If it's not at least 8 seconds, you're not going to get paid. So this is why it's very, very, important to read the rules. Also, video cannot be sold from other clippers, and they value quality the most. So don't do some really bad editing. It still needs to be good quality. Like you saw in the example. So what you do is you publish your video. You take 5 to 10 minutes to edit a nice little video. Then you go to, you press submit after you've published it on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts. Then you link the video and then you upload the original video that you published onto the platform. It's that simple. What then does is what then detects every single time you get a view and automatically pays you. So after you've published a video and linked it within an hour, you're getting paid consistently. It's amazing. I don't understand why there aren't more people speaking about this, and they're Whops who are paying out so much money. Like, look, if you're going to sort by higher CPM, what you see is there's $50 per thousand views, $25, $7, $20, $10. Like, that's $10,000 per million views. This is $50,000 per million views. It's absolutely ridiculous. So, and also it's not like this is, only on YouTube, which is where it's harder to get views, because of the views are longer form and higher quality. This is on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, where people are, it's so easy to get 10, 20,000 views in the first hour even. There's so much money to be made. And this is why I wanted to make the video, because I want you guys to earn money. I really want you guys to earn money, and is a place to earn money. It's a way to make money. It's a make money app. So anyway, that was the short summary on how you can earn a lot of money very quickly just by publishing content that is already out on the internet. Thanks for me. Subscribe and like.